Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So I never used Gemini before in any iOS device, so let's try Gemini from Google in this iPhone. So let's try to get something. What is the latest iPhone in the market?
The latest models of the iPhone currently on the market are the iPhone 17 series and the iPhone Air, which were released in September 2025. The main models in the series are iPhone 17, iPhone Air, a thinner model, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max. An entry-level model, the iPhone 16e, was released earlier in the year as well.
Okay, what is the latest Samsung phone in the market?
The latest and most premium Samsung phones released recently are the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, which are their latest generation of foldable devices and were unveiled in July 2025. For their traditional flagship Galaxy S series, the most recent models are the Galaxy S25 series, which were launched in early 2025. This series includes Galaxy S25 Ultra, the top-tier model, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Edge, a new thinner model, Galaxy S25 FE Fan Edition. So depending on the form factor you prefer, foldable versus traditional, the newest models are Category, latest models, foldable, premium, Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. Traditional flagship, Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Edge, Alt, etc. Is there a specific feature, like camera or battery life, that you'd like to know more about for one of these models?
Gemini is quite good actually. We tested the Gemini. Thank you for watching and subscribe.